Hey everybody, welcome back. It's nice to see you. Yes, and of course you know the motto, it's nice to be seen. Right, okay, this is just going to be a quick one today, seeing as it's a lovely day and I want to enjoy the rest of it. It's going to be a review on a product that I bought with my own money, so I'm not being sponsored to do this video. So what is it, you may be asking yourself? Hang on a minute, hang on. Here we go. This is the Deerhunter Sneaky 3D camo outfit. Okay, it's not a real tree, it's done by Deerhunter. So what we've got is we've got trousers and we've got a top. They are designed to go over your trousers, over your any sort of tops you're wearing. If it's summer, obviously it's going to be your jumper or your t-shirt, and in the winter it's obviously going to be a jacket, waterproof trousers. I've tried this on and it actually goes over the boots quite easy, so you haven't got to take your boots off. It's got elasticated tops and bottoms, which I will show you in a second. So, okay, what I do then is let's try this thing on. Wow, so there you go. This is the Sneaky 3D. Pretty cool, huh? Right, what we got these leaf shapes that are sewn on, because this is see-through fabric here, you can see through this. So this is just being placed on in rows down, all the way along, rows all the way down, rows all the way down. And if you see, if I move, they move as well. So it gives it that impression that they're leaves blowing in the wind, and it does work quite well, because I was sitting up a little while ago, and the wind was blowing and that was moving like that. It's pretty clever really. Like I said, being synthetic doesn't make a noise. It's pretty good, unlike me, you may be saying. So that comes in really handy when you're just trying to hide out, watch your wildlife, take pictures. It doesn't give you, so if you go to move, it doesn't give you away. Very important. So you may be asking yourself, who may use this? Okay, hunters obviously, wildlife photographers, anybody that wants to watch nature, whether you're in a hide, whether you're sitting out in a field, edge of a field, in a woodland, anybody like that, and they really do help you blend in, which I will show you in a minute. Okay, you don't actually get these gloves with it, you only get the bottoms and you get this top here. And just to sort of show you, this is just buttoned up, it's not zipped. So you've got these popper buttons here, which work quite well. Obviously it's not waterproof, designed to be worn over clothes. Either you're waterproof if it's a rainy day. And this here is just elastic, but it fits quite well. The elastic's quite strong. Not strong enough that it feels uncomfortable. And there's a elasticated piece on the bottom here, which tucks it all in nicely like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to just go around the woodland, put myself in different positions and see if you can see me. Obviously you probably will be, it's not going to make me completely invisible, but it's going to help me blend in, and to a deer or birds or anything that comes through, they're not going to see this white hand and white face. Hopefully all they're going to see is the environment. So normally when they come in, they're not normally looking for people, they normally hear them first, or the signal is the big white hand, the big white face. So normally you're just sitting there and they will think that you're just part of the woodland. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that pretty much shows you some of the scenarios where this suit is good in, maybe not so bad in. I mean, you have to make your own decisions up. If you liked it or disliked it, leave a comment. You know, it's always up for debate, of course. But hopefully you sort of saw what the advantage of having some sort of camo, whether it's this or anything else. It can make you blend in to the environment a little bit better and get to the wildlife a little bit better. So my conclusion on this, I really like it. It is extremely quiet because the material is so thin. On today where it's quite warm, it's actually keeping me cool. I can feel the breeze coming through, so it's pretty good. In the winter obviously it's a different story, you'd be wearing warmer clothes underneath. Probably the only downside that I would say about it is that I wish you could get to your inside pocket on your trousers or your jeans or whatever you're wearing. I'm wearing jeans obviously, and it's a little bit annoying. I've got to sort of pull it down, pull it up, pull it down, get my hand in there. And I'm sure it's probably not designed to do that due to the fact of you being quiet and you're not supposed to move. But I would like to be able to get my hand in there, maybe look at the time on my phone or just get into my pocket for something maybe. Or that's probably the only gripe I got with it, but it's not a deal breaker because I love it. It is quiet. I do feel that I am a little bit more invisible than I was when I was wearing jeans. I mean, with that clip of me walking through the woods wearing this, and then my jeans can give you the insight of what an animal might see. Okay, I know we are looking for me, so we're not going to be that obvious, but if you were in this environment and you were hidden away, there's a good chance if somebody was walking through the woodland with their dog, they probably wouldn't see you. You'd blend in really well. So I'd like to try this in the rain to see what happens to these little cut bits that go on the top there, whether they would stick or whether they would still flap about, or they get heavy and pull over. That's something I'm going to try, just to sort of see if it's an advantage wearing it in the rain or just a real tree top, because there are other makes out there. Obviously Real Tree do one, but yeah, I like it. I mean, I'm going to definitely be wearing it a lot more when I'm out doing observing the wildlife or doing some wildlife photography. So if you want to get yourself one, I would highly recommend it. Mine's a Deerhunter Sneaky 3D. I say there's other ones out there. You can get a ghillie suit if you want to go that much further. But you know, it comes in that lovely little bag you saw at the beginning. You can get it dirty, put it in the bag and stick it in your rucksack, no problem. So with that, I'm just going to go off and see if I can immerse myself in nature a bit more. Okay, thumbs up if you liked it. Like, subscribe if you're not already a member. Let's make this channel grow. We need to grow, guys and girls. Let's grow. Take it easy.